And this year, on behalf of our investigator team, I presented the study design of this phase 3 clinical trial, which is ongoing in China now. The name of this clinical trial is SANOVO. And in this trial, we selected EGFR mutation positive and also with MET amplification or MET overexpression, a de novo MET overexpression population, non-small cell lung cancer patient. Actually, I think everyone knows for EGFR mutation positive non-small cell lung cancer patient, so far the EGFR TKI alone is a standard treatment for this population. But the c-MET amplification or c-MET overexpression is the most common resistant mechanism for EGFR TKI. And also we have seen a lot of results from different clinical trials to combine EGFR TKI and MET TKI to overcome the resistance induced by MET amplification or MET overexpression. But actually, we still have some non-small cell lung cancer. They have the de novo MET amplification together with the EGFR mutation. So actually, in this study, we selected the population who EGFR mutation combined with de novo MET overexpression. So in this trial, we tested the MET overexpression by the method of IHC. We give the definition of MET overexpression is the IHC 2+ or 3+. So after we screened the advanced non-small lung cancer with this kind of MET amplification, and we will randomize 1-to-1 to receive Savolitinib plus Osimertinib or placebo plus Osimertinib. Osimertinib is a well-known third-generation EGFR TKI, also approved in both China and a lot of different countries. And the Savolitinib is a novel c-MET TKI. Actually, this drug has been approved in China for c-MET exon 14 skipping alteration population. And we have finished a lot of different clinical trial actually for c-MET or the expression. But in other clinical trial, we selected the population who are after resistance to EGFR TKI. But in this clinical trial, we selected the de novo patients who are first-line treatment. So after a randomization, the patient received Savolitinib plus Osimertinib or placebo combined with Osimertinib, and until disease progression or intolerable safety disease. So the primary endpoint of this clinical trial is PFS assessment by investigators. And actually, the primary endpoint including two parts. The first part is a PFS in c-MET 3+ population. If we have positive result in this kind of c-MET 3+ population, we will test the PFS in whole population, in ITT population. So actually, we have two primary endpoints. And we also have some other secondary endpoints like overall response rate, overall survival, and safety profile, and so on. So I think this is a very interesting design. Maybe we will set up a new standard treatment for this very special population with this population who have both EGFR mutation and de novo c-MET overexpression. Maybe after we got the results from this clinical trial, we will set up a new standard treatment for this kind of population. So thanks again for your attention.